In this video, I'll show you how to use Leonardo AI's image-to-image feature. You can upload any image and guide the AI to make changes based on your text prompts. With this feature, the overall look of your input image, from the content to the style, will be used to generate your new image. On the Leonardo homepage, select Image Creation from the top or left-hand menu. Click the Image Upload button inside the prompt box, then select View More. Choose Image to Image, and then Confirm. Upload your image, or select one of your previous generations. You can also select an image from the community feed. Once you have selected your image, click on Confirm. Go ahead and provide a description of what you want your image to look like. I will enter a simple prompt: woman with a flower crown. Next, choose how much you want the image guidance to be applied. If you set it too high, the output will look identical to the original image. So, play around with it to get the result you want. Make sure that the image dimensions match the size of your reference image. If you change the image size, significant portions of the output image may be cropped. In this example, my reference image's aspect ratio is 1:1. When I set the aspect ratio to 16:9, Leonardo warns me at the bottom to match the aspect ratio for optimal results. Clicking the button on the right side will automatically match the aspect ratios. Let's hit Generate. The images turned out just the way I imagined. Now, let's try a different prompt. I want the woman to wear sunglasses. And there you go, the woman with sunglasses. How about a background with a field of sunflowers? And here it is, the woman surrounded by sunflowers. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!